Hi everybody, I'm back, and as I said in the previous video, we separated it. I'm going to do the yellow cheese mac and cheese to go with our wings, so I'm kind of in a rush here, but they'll stay hot till I'm done. I wanted to go over it with you once more. This is the yellow version. I used Cracker Barrel. I don't know if I mentioned it. I used extra sharp yellow for the Cracker Barrel, and it's about half of this block in the measurement. Okay, so I'm going to cut that now. And then this is about, let me try to show you the thickness. This is regular deli slice American, boar's head, yellow American, and about 8 slices. Not too thin, not too thick. About 8 slices. If you want 6, use 6. If you want 10, use 10. It's amount of cheese you really love. I'm starting to get comfortable with not over worrying about measurements. The one thing that's important is the 1.5 cups of water to 1 cup of milk all together, and the 8 ounces of the Barilla elbows. That's the one thing I'm not going to change. I'm not going to play with. The cheese, a little more, a little less, ain't going to hurt it. Okay? So we're doing that today, and we want to see a good chance if it comes out as delicious as the white version was, because that was off the hook good. Trust me, I'm a mac and cheese lover. So we'll come back when we're ready to add the cheese. I'm going to cut everything up. When we're ready to add them in, we'll come back and see that slushy sound that everybody loves on mac and cheese. Okay, the macaroni is cooked. We're going to add in the cheese, the American first, and mix that all in. Try to melt it, get it all everywhere. I put the mustard in, the Dijon. I try to break up the cheese like that, the American. Smells good. And then don't forget, we have to take it off the heat to put the, okay, mix that in. Give that a second. Let me get the cover back out, because I have to put it back on for it to, 1 second. Okay, that's melting. It makes me nervous because I love it so much. I'm over here panicked over mac and cheese. Seriously. It is just one of my favorites. You got to get that American melted first, good and melted, before we add the brick cheese, the cheddar. See? It's already making that nice swishy sound. And it is half of the brick. Okay. Okay. I'm going to put the cheese in now. The cheddar. Try to blend it in. I think it's kind of like folded in, so it doesn't all cook at once. Get every little bit. I'm going to give it a light toss. Bring it off the heat. Okay, let that do its thing for a minute. We have to sit here and chill out for a minute. Alexa, set timer for a minute. Oh, okay. Good. I know what I wanted to mention. Don't use this. When I'm not cooking, I'm actually a product reviewer. This sucks. I tried to do the cheese in here thinking because I like this grate. It all got stuck in there. So no to that, yes to this, and it's a perfect measurement of this cup filled. That's what a half of the Cracker Barrel brick fills this whole thing up, and that seems to be the perfect ideal measurement. This is probably good for hard cheeses and small, right? Don't you think? Yeah, I'm not going to throw it out, but it's not for the mac and cheese is what I want to say mostly. Huh?
Too sticky.
Yeah, it's crappy. And Vinny's dying to get with these wings, but I have to have them both. We split it up into 2 videos in case somebody doesn't want to watch through cooking of the one to get to the other. So that's why I'm not trying to just make 2 long videos. I try to keep them all as short as I can and keep you interested. And I think if my mac and cheese and wings don't keep you interested, leave now. Okay, Alexa, cancel. And then we got to do the taste test. I got my little bowl waiting. Please be good. Please be good. Okay, seems to have melted. Now let's see if we can get that swish. You hear that? Come, is it me? Am I? Oh God, gooey good. Oh, I like that. Oh God, gooey good. This smells like mac and cheese because of the yellow versus the white. You know? Oh my goodness. All right, let's plate a bowl up, and Mama will be happy to taste this for you. Oops, excuse me. I will be more than happy. Wait, my bowl had a little piece of water, a drip of water. I want to make sure it's absolutely dry and clean. Did you hear that? It's going to be the money shot. Okay, let me have a little bit of pepper. Come and get a good shot of that then, because that probably is going to be the money shot. That's going to be the keeper. And someone had said that I need to show myself tasting. The people want to see my reaction. I think they're sick of seeing my mouth water. Okay, moment of truth. This is the yellow cheese mac and cheese from the Precise Measured recipe. It's not fair to do this to you on camera. It really isn't. It's absolutely delicious. Magnificent for a stovetop. Oh my God. Please make this. If you're a mac and cheese lover, you're going to die for this one. You are. I got to get eaten. I have wings, mac and cheese, and I think I have a Corona in the fridge. Later, people.